Hi, you guys. This is your last lesson in this unit. This is 3.10. We're talking about homeostasis and stimuli responses. So as you go through this lesson, make sure that you pay very careful attention to the vocabulary. Just below this video in the lesson introduction, you'll see vocabulary for both homeostasis and stimuli responses. So make sure that you check those two things out. Now this lesson has another little feature to it. We're talking about a discussion topic. So here you've got your body systems recap. Make sure that you respond to your teammates, respond to your classmates in there, and make a post of your own, okay? When you respond to your classmates, don't just say, great idea. I want you to say, hey, I liked what you had to say because, or even I disagree because. I want you to engage in a discussion, in a conversation with your teammates here in this portion of the lesson. Now, in the Class Kick Science notebook today, you're going to be directed over to gizmos. And I'm going to show you what that gizmos activity looks like now. You're going to be doing a homeostasis demonstration, a human homeostasis demonstration. So as you can see here, one of the first questions that it's going to ask you in your class kick is the initial air and body temperature. Initial just means start. So the initial temperature here is 0 degrees Celsius, which is right at freezing, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? The initial body temperature over here is 99 degrees, which is pretty normal. Our normal body temperature is about 98.6 degrees, so they're just rounding up here, okay? What this activity is going to have you do is just kind of manipulate some of the controls here. You can manipulate exercise level, sweat level, the body position of our woman. You can also add clothing, have her drink water, or even eat some food. What the goal is to keep her body temperature right around the normal range. Keep her in homeostasis, if you will. So if she is out here walking, it's freezing, you can go ahead and press play down here at the bottom and see how her body temperature starts to decline as the air gets colder around her. Now, eventually, what might happen is it starts to warm up, okay, which is what is happening now. And then you'll start to see her body temperature increase again. So what you want to do is manipulate all of the controls here. I'm going to go ahead and press pause. What we want to do is manipulate all the controls here to see how long we can keep her in homeostasis. Maybe we want to add a jacket. Maybe we want to have her eat a snack. What can we do with these controls to keep her body in a happy, healthy balance? Watch what happens down here to the fatigue and the sugar levels when she becomes too cold or even too hot, okay? So remember that we don't want her to become too hot, right? Because if she's doing exercise and the air temperature becomes too warm, we don't want her to overheat. So again, there's a lot of controls, a lot of things here that will work in conjunction to keep someone in homeostasis. So feel free to manipulate those controls as well. Okay, now as always, there's a class kick reflection for this gizmos, and it gives you instructions on how to walk through that assignment. And so you can choose which one that you'd like to do there. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're always happy to help. Good luck, you guys. Have fun.